Here's the real way to close and sign a model, because a lot of you momos are fucking it up by trying to get the girl on the call. All right, so say she's interested, say you're in Instagram DMs like I showed you, you've got her interested, you've piqued her curiosity, and then you've explained your spiel to her, what you do, what you provide, blah, blah, blah. By the way, don't make that too long, otherwise you'll fuck it up doing that as well. If you send a long script or more than one message in a row, you're gonna scare the girl off because she's gonna think crazy or dork. So here's what you send. She's interested. You say, okay, great, take a look at this, and if you like what you see, sign it, and then send it back to me, and we'll get you on the way to earning. And then you attach a Google Docs link below that, which contains the contract, and all she has to do is click on the link. She'll get taken to the Google Docs tab where your service agreement is, where your contract is. She can literally just read it there in the browser and even sign it in the browser, and then it will just save. Here's what a lot of you momos do and you fuck it up. Okay, great, let's get on a call. I'll explain everything we do, and then we can sign you up and get you on your way. Actually, you even make it more complicated than that. I even made that better. You're gonna scare them off. Here's what the girl sees. He wants to get on a call and he's already sent 3 paragraphs of bullshit. You're wasting their time. And here's the other thing you're not taking into consideration. If by some miracle, the girl wants to give up another 15 minutes to half an hour of her life to get on a call with you, then she gets on to see that your face looks like it got hit by a truck. That's not gonna help you. So take that in consideration as well. Less steps, the better. The less steps you have, the less opportunities to give the girl to decline, to object. So close in the DMs. So here's what you do. You go to Google Docs, you upload your contract, obviously tailor it accordingly, put her name in there, blah, 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 put the date, tailor it to that. Then you go share, general access, I think it is, copy the link. And then after you send that little spiel I said at the start, okay, great, take a look at this. And if you like what you see, you can sign it, we can get you on your way to earning. Then you send a link below that. And then that way you can close within the DMs, because each time you jump the fucking girl around to different platforms, you're giving her one more opportunity to object. Now after that, the girl's probably going to object in the DMs, usually due to the 50-50 split or whatever kind of revenue split you're going for. There'll usually be an objection there. You can curve that real easy in the DMs. Just say this way we're incentivized to grow your account, because if we work for any less or we work based on fees, then we're not incentivized to grow your account, because we can literally do fuck all and we'll still get paid the same amount. Keep it in the DMs. Don't fucking jump her around to email, to Telegram, to WhatsApp, to whatever to call, because I can guarantee you're going to lose it. And that's it. That's my advice. Take that, and that is what I used to sign 10 models right when I was starting out. And now I don't even need to do that, because I'm fortunate enough that models send their applications to me. But that's how I got started. Never went wrong that way. Remember, less steps, the easier it is to close, because there's less chance for objection. So that's it. Take it, run with it. And if you liked it, smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on another video.